When the work is done, it's time to reap its rewards and send the invoice to the customer. Go to the Invoices section on the home screen. Click Create a new invoice. Fill in your customer's contact information and select the invoice delivery method. Choose the invoice due date, payment terms, reminder period, and add any customer reference. Enter details about the invoiced product or service. Preview and send the invoice. Withdrawing a salary is very easy. When your customer has paid your invoice, you will receive a notification about it. You can see the money available for withdrawal on the service's homepage and in the Transactions section. You can withdraw the money whenever you want. It will be transferred to your account within a few banking days.